The last lecture on helper verbs addresses a two-word pair, ru, laru, and s, sas. Once again, these four words merged into modern Japanese asset. In another word, most all elements we need to know in modern Japanese about these four words can be found in similar expressions in the classical writings. First pair, ru, laru. These two words express exactly the same meaning, but used with a different type of a verb in its conjugation. Ru for four-column verbs, and the na verb shinu, inu, la verb ari, and the laru used for the rest of verbs. In modern Japanese, we find these two words became reru, rareru on a dictionary. For a Japanese learner, you are expected to know that the central meaning of reru, rareru in modern Japanese is passive, while there are other three parallel meanings, namely potential, respect, and spontaneity. One has to properly tell the usage in a given context. This fact is exactly the same in the classical Japanese. More specifically, it is believed that the original meaning of this pair of words was spontaneity, and other meanings, passive, potential, and respect, were rather slowly developed into these two words. Here is an example of a ru in a passive statement. 当たりで腰を打ち折られにけり。当たり、腰を折られた。A further example for らる。ご覧ぜらるることの代わりはべりなんことを口惜しく思いたまえ。お目にかけていたことのその変わりようをどうぞご憐憫なさいませ。The next pair, す、さす, eventually merge into せる、させる in modern Japanese. The center meaning is the same in classical Japanese, namely to indicate a causative statement or to make someone to do. At the meantime, there are two additional usages rather unique. One, す、さす used together with the honorific expression such as たまう to form an expression used for the highest people such as the emperor or the members in the royal family. And two, especially as an expression by warriors, す、さす may be used to indicate passive that's equal to る、らる。宮の御前にで文殊のところどころ読ませたまいなどして、宮様は白紙文殊からの文書をお読みになった。今、万丈の主と生まれさせたまえども、今は万民の君主としてお生まれになったとはいえ。This concludes the discussions on the main and the representative helper verbs. While accounting into new helper verbs or a unique usage other than the basic presented here, try to check a dictionary and analyze it carefully through the context of the writing. It is always essential for learning the classical language. See you at the next lecture.